Good morning. It's January 21st, 2021. Yesterday I watched President Biden being sworn in, and this is called Thank You, President Biden and Garth Brooks. The last 4 years almost killed me. I have always had cerebral palsy and loved America. The last 4 years, President Trump and his haters really depressed me when he planted the seeds of doubt in America. America is not what it used to be, but this is true with everything in life. Hate and anger makes it hard for people like me to breathe. President Biden talked about unity for everyone yesterday. I believe in God, but please do not call me a Christian. Christians should love others, even atheists who do not believe in God. Atheists should love Christians for who they are. Not all people believe in God, and not all people have been blessed by God in this life. Not all Christians have accepted gay people. That's why I don't like to be called a Christian. And many gay people have killed themselves because of it. Not all people believe in God. I have known people who were depressed by others telling them that God did not exist. And then they mentioned a few weeks later that they got over this person talking about being an atheist so much. But then a few weeks later, they were found dead by a dumpster. So we all have to be careful with our faith. If you believe in God or don't believe in God, remember your beliefs and values can affect if people could end up hurting themselves or taking their lives. Daily hate and anger from the right and from the left bring me down. President Biden is a breath of fresh air. It's hard for me to believe in love, though, when people get hung up on words and politics and God talk. I believe in love and respect, but often do not fit into Christianity because of the last 4 years, many Christians have been taught to hate and be angry with Democrats. This is so stupid and not what God wants from us. I hate Americans hating one another. It depresses me daily and makes it hard for me to believe in anybody. And I know that is not the way God wants me to be. Christians and atheists need to respect one another and try to love one another for who they are. An atheist is not a Satanist who wants the devil to exist. These people are real, and they want Satan to rule the world online and in real time too. Hatred and violence are killing people like me emotionally daily in America. If people believed in God or were in love, they would unite. Sometimes people don't get it. At times I feel that they can be so stupid. And I know that's not how God wants me to think that way, but like I said, sometimes it's just how I feel. Thank you, Garth Brooks, for being a Republican and getting it. And you showed it when you sang the song yesterday, Amazing Grace. If people are real and genuine to one another, politics disappear. If people respected one another, politics wouldn't matter either. I have to work I have to do work on myself because sometimes God talk can drive me up the wall because many Christians and I do look at God in different ways than I do. But again, they are not the palsy rocker, palsy philosopher like me. Let's try to unite and respect one another. Please, haters, give President Biden and Camilla a chance. I already feel happier that President Biden and Vice President Camilla are in office. Things seem lighter to me today than our last president, who was always angry. When you have a disability and you're around people who are angry, or hear about people who are angry daily, it can be very depressing. So we all need to give President Biden a chance. Let's try all to heal America and let's all move forward. Thank you. If you like this video, please share.